Hi Janvi, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Hi, thank you.
So Janvi, what should I call this? Should I call you Gunju during this whole interview?
You know, it's so funny. So many people who have been interviewing me the past couple of days, they start like, "So Gunju, ye batao," and I'm like, "Yeah." So a lot of people have been doing that, but you can call me.
Go ahead. Sorry. So of course, first of all, Janvi or Gunju, congratulations for Gunjan Saxena. The film has received such a great response, and everyone is praising your performance. So tell me that one compliment that you have received, the best compliment that you have received for the movie.
I think people calling me Gunju is quite a compliment. Like they're not being able to disassociate. Yeah, I think that was quite cool that these many people looked at me and they thought I was Gunju. So I must have stuck with them somewhere.
Right. So, because now the film has released on digitally, it has received such a great reviews and everything. But do you feel if this film would have got a theatrical release, the impact would have been better because it has been mounted on a very huge scale? There's helicopters, there's war going on, there are mountains around. Do you feel the impact would have been better?
I think a good film, no matter where you watch it, the impact will be good if it's a good film. Yeah, it would have been amazing for people to see it on a big screen. In fact, I saw it in a theater room for a screening, and it was just, I think that it was an amplified experience. But, our film is reaching so many people all around the world, and I think that that's such a blessing. So, I would like to focus on the positive aspect of it.
Right. Because Gunjan Saksena's basic point is also the emotional connection between father and daughter. I would like to know, how did Boni sir reacted when he saw the film?
He was crying. He was extremely proud and extremely moved, and he was very, very happy. He was happier than I've seen him in a long time.
Right. So Gunjan, again, I just said Gunjan to you. I forget that. Okay, so Janvi, I remember reading an interview of yours a couple of months ago where you had kind of criticized your own performance in Dhadak. Now tell me, what do you have to say about your own performance in Gunjan Saxena?
I like me Gunjan Saxena quite a bit. See, but there's always room for improvement. There is always room for improvement. I think that in terms of skill set, in terms of finesse, there's always more polishing that one can do, and I need to do. I think one thing that I have going for me is I find it easy to tap into emotional scenes. I think emotionality I understand quite well. I think rhythm and language I still need to work on. I think that, I know that the tonality of my voice is a little different and people will take some time to adjust to it. I don't think anything will come out of changing that. That's just how I speak. But I think language and rhythm, and I think that there's one scene that I think it served the purpose of what my director wanted, but I think that I would have wanted to try to do it in another way also. The scene where I come and I do the outburst when they're having the party and I just can't take the noise anymore. I think that I took the route of just being like confused and haphazard and like not knowing what I want to say, but just saying it because I'm so filled up with it. But I think that I could have kept that and maybe done it with like more. When you're about to break down and about to burst into tears and you're holding back and you just want to get your point across, I think that maybe I could have taken that route also. Maybe something would have happened. So,
but I think as a viewer and a critic, I have to say that was one of the best scenes of the film. I think it was the highlight.
Oh, thank you.
Right. Of course, in this movie there are a lot of amazing moments, and when Manovit's character tell you to go on the 8 o'clock and land, and all those sequences are amazing. But I think one thing that also been the talk of the town is you dancing on My Name is Lakhan. So how nervous or excited you were, and has Anil sir seen that? Did he tell you anything about it?
Yeah, he saw the film, but he didn't mention that scene. He just, I think, was very emotional after seeing the film. So he was just talking about the performance and the film as a whole. He forgot about that scene. I wasn't nervous or anything. It was Gunjan ma'am and her brother have been, they enjoyed Bollywood cinema of those years. So it was a part of their growing up years. So I didn't think of it like, oh, मैं अनिल चाचू के गाने पर नाचने वाली हूँ. It wasn't like that.
So, Janvi, what's happening next? I mean, of course, you have a great lineup. There's Ruhi Afzana, Tak, Dostana too. But everyone wants to know and update what's happening with Ruhi Afzana also, because we heard that film might also get a digital release. So, any update on that?
I actually don't know yet. I think that we're just waiting as of now to see what happens. The film is completely ready, except for one song that we have to shoot. We're just waiting and seeing, but I'm really excited about that film.
Yeah, it's a double role if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So, and what about Dostana 2? You might have completed 50% of the film if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, 50% of the film is done. And again, we're waiting to see when we can shoot. We were actually supposed to shoot in London, but now let's see. Just waiting and seeing.
So apart from, of course, all these whole amazing lineups that you have, anything else that you have been offered during this whole 4 months of pandemic that is going on?
Yeah, a couple of things, but I think I'm still waiting to see what I want to do and things like that.
Right. It was really nice talking to you, Janvi, and all the best for all your future projects. And I again have to say that you were amazing as Gunjan.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you.